on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step and foot in them sneaker stores. Like where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks I never would have seen you.
What's up, everybody? This is Big Roth TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. All right, now this one I happened to enter a raffle. I did not think I was gonna win this one. I kind of entered the raffle for shits and giggles, and wound up getting lucky and winning, I guess. So once I saw that I won, I saw that a lot of people actually hit on these. So I'm glad I got them, man. It's one that I kind of like. And, oh, almost fumbled there. And let's get into them, man. I didn't hit on the first version of this shoe, but I did hit on these. So let's bring it out. Boom. Alright. Put the box to the side there. And here we are. You can see the Jordan logo there. Nothing there on the top. Nothing here. Nothing on that side. On the bottom, you have your labels, Nike Air, your swoosh, all that stuff there on the bottom. Alright. These are, where is it? These are the women's Air Jordan 3 Retro OG SP. Alright. Black flat pewter. Okay. And I got these in a women's 15.5, which goes to a men's size 14. Alright. So you open the box. This is a great presentation. You open it from there. If you can see that, you pull it to the side here. Boom. And then it reveals the actual box. Alright. Great presentation. This presentation justifies a little bit of that $225 price tag. But here is the other side. This is what was being covered. And there's the Converse logo and the Nike logo. In case some of you didn't realize, Nike owns Converse as well. Alright. So these are an Maniere collaboration. Alright. Even though it doesn't say that by name on the box, you can see that logo there. Alright. Now how do I actually get... Do you pull them out from there, or is it you leave them here? I guess you just leave it. You leave it like this. You open the top here. Any words? No, but you see all those reflective Maniere A's on the reflective top there, and they are kept inside a nice dust bag there. Alright. Okay, that's not a bag, but it's a dust cover, I should say. And then a little bit of the paper, and that's the shoe. Alright. So let's go ahead and get into these. I don't even know how I'm going to properly show it, but let's get into these. But of course, you all know how I do it. Right here on Big Roth TV. Wow. Wow. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Very, very, very nice. Left shoe. First, baby. Man, the Maniere Air Jordan 3. Wow. And that black and pewter colorway. Goodness gracious, man. I'm just looking at the quality. That's what's making me. The leather is nice and soft. That is a quality pair of Jordan 3s. Wow. And the quilted, wow. Okay, so here's an extra pair of laces. It's the cream laces. I don't know if I would throw a cream pair of laces in here. I don't know if I would do that. It would be something different, but I don't know if I would throw the creams in there. And put these to the side. And then there should be a second pair. No, not right there. Take the paper out. But man, look at the hang tag here. You got your Nike Air hang tag going around there. Alright. And then there's of course the Maniere hang tag. Quality goods, handled with care. Jordan signature. And of course the Maniere logo on the back here. Alright. Very nice. Nike Air on the cheeks. Alright. And then you got your Maniere A on the front of the tongue there. Craftsmanship on this pair is outstanding. Like, it's even more of the Maniere A's on the back of the tongue. Like, stitched in many of them on the back of the tongue. It's all kind of A's on the back of the tongue. That is amazing quality. Look at the quilted. Man, let me scoot up. Look at the quilted insides there. Look at the quiltedness. Man, that is top quality right there. That quilt, it feels good. It feels good on my hands. I'm sure my feet will appreciate it. On the lace tips, it says harder there. So work harder. Work harder. Alright. And then cream kind of midsole there. And I like this nubuck suede. It's not nubuck, it's a suede, where the cement print usually is a suede leather going around here. Alright. Nice suede material. Kind of a thick cut suede too. Going all the way around there. Man, these are dope. I didn't expect them to be this dope. I'm trying not to be super reactive right now, but check this out. This is my all-time favorite Jordan 3. The black cement 3s. This is my all-time favorite. I know normally my favorite colorway of things is something that's blue and white. I do have the sport blue Jordan 3s as well, but something about this pair, just amazing pair. All right, and I know these are re-releasing this year. I don't think I need them. I think my pair from the most recent previous release is still good, but man, these right here might be giving these a run for the money on the top spot. Man, like, these are nice, man. And on the insole, hold on, let me see if I can take this. Look at the, oh, okay, on the insole, because these are also called the While You Were Sleeping pair of Jordan 3s. So on the underneath the insole, you see that While You Were Sleeping there. All right, but look at all the A's. I know it's probably hard to see that, but all those A's for the Maniere on the stitching of this, just like this is also on the back of the tongue. This is what I was trying to show you all on the back of the tongue, but it's hard to see that. The quality, the details that they put into this shoe. let's see if I can show a little bit better now that that's out. The quiltedness, and then on the back, all the Maniere A's there. They really did a good job. Quality air unit there, if I didn't mention that before. Let me try to put this back in. Man, they really did a damn good job. They really did a damn good job on the quality of this shoe. Matte black on the back here, and this black area here, this is all matte black. Very flat kind of black, which I'm not mad at. The leather quality, pretty good, man. Pretty good to me. Let's see, it kind of reminds me actually of this leather. This actually might be a little bit softer, but these are also very worn in. Like, these are very worn in. Of course, this is my favorite Jordan 3. So, yeah, these are good, man. The leather quality on these bad boys, really good. Please don't sleep. Please do not sleep. If you're sleeping, if you missed the release from Maniere, you need to be trying to get these on the sneakers app, because these are dope, man. So these actually release tomorrow, August 27th, on the sneakers app. In case you missed them on the actual release from Maniere, if you didn't enter that draw, you got a second chance to cop these tomorrow from the sneakers app. All right, make sure you're there. These are a dope pair. Look, Nike on the bottom. All right, everything about this is premium to me. This is a premium pair, nice quality pair of kicks, man. Just everything about this is dope to me. Let's see, the right boy. Gotta make sure there's differences, because I think there are a few differences. Right shoe, second. All right, on the right boy, you have the Jumpman on the tongue instead of the A for Maniere. All right, so Jumpman on the right boy, and then the Maniere A on the left shoe. All right, everything else appears to be about the same. Look at the leather. Look at the leather, man. Look at the leather quality. Nike Air on the cheeks again. Pull the tongue out. Do we have work harder? Also work harder on the lace tips. Okay, there it is. There it is. There it is. Here's the other pair. Now these might, you know, that kind of pewter, that kind of light purple, that plum almost. These might go hard. But would it be too much, since the tongue and the area around the laces and the eyelets, would this be too much to go with that, since it's that color? I don't know. I like this color. Let me see if I can. I like these laces because it's the same color as this and the tongue. I kind of like these laces. Might flip those like that. That kind of looks dope to me. But man, these are hard, man. These are hard body. I'm glad that I actually did decide, because at first, you know, when the taxes and the shipping and everything hits, you're gonna be like, damn, man, why did I go for these? Because that pushes the price like way up, and it's not one of those sites that I could get my, you know, my military discount or anything from. So I had to eat that, like I had to eat that full price. But getting them in hand and seeing the quality, yeah. That's good quality right there, man. That is good quality. That's good money right there. I'm seeing these in person, it's just a very beautiful shoe. And I'm glad that I was able to get them, man. Glad that I was able to get these. Let me get the right boy up out of here. I'm tripping. Put that down. Is there anything else in the box that I might have missed? Nope, that's it. Laces, shoes. All right. Yeah, man, these are dope. Once again, they do release tomorrow. Tomorrow. I would say as far as sizing, I got my normal size that I would get in Jordan 3s. Size 14 for me. That's going to be, for me, that's actually kind of like a half size up. I'm more of a true 13.5, but for one, you can't get a 13.5 in Jordan 3s. They don't make them. And then I can't go down to a size 13 because that'd be too small in Jordan 3s. So whatever you normally wear in this shoe, that's what I would recommend you copping. It does seem, let me see. Let me do a little comparison. It does seem like it's a little bit thinner than these, but with the quilted material. So that may be something that plays a part as well. Let me feel down there. Well, maybe not. When you get deeper in there, it's kind of thicker. Up top, it's not as thick, but yeah, recommend getting what you normally would get in a pair of the Jordan 3s. That's what I recommend. These are pretty sweet, man. These are pretty sweet. I did see some people say that these are ugly. Yeah, right. They're not ugly at all. People are trying to hate on this shoe because it's easier to get. It's not instantly selling out, and the resale on it is not ridiculous. I don't know why people are like that. If the shoes are good for everybody to be able to get now, that should be great. That is a good thing. We can all eat. We can all get a pair. There's no reason to be upset about that because resellers can't sell it now. Let's be happy that we all can get the pairs that we like. Goofies? But anyway, that's going to do it for this one. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly appreciate it. More content is on the way. Man, I gotta say, these Jordan 3 Maniere, these are just too sweet. And they get the Bret the Hitman Hart championship belt, kiss of approval. Definitely. Sweet pair of shoes, man. And I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.